One of the few reasons why I really love the trains here in Sydney is because of this. Look. We're now here at the Sydney Opera House behind me. And on the other side is the Sydney Harbour Bridge. It's around 8 p.m. today. I just decided to walk around and just chill, sit by the harbor and enjoy the views. So yeah. I'm just waiting for the train to arrive so that we can head to the other part. It's a pretty good day right now here in Sydney and the weather's been really good. Had a nice brunch earlier. I went to a few beaches called the Quay Beach. So it's somewhere down south of Sydney. And I met my friend Tom. So look, the train is already here. So One of the few reasons why I really love the trains here in Sydney is because of this. Look. Now you can sit with friends. Or if you don't want friends and you just want to be a loner, then just keep it that way. Alright, so I can't wait to head to Olympic Park and see the history and everything about it. Sure. Alright, so we're now here at the Olympic Park, and behind me is
I forgive the pain you gave to me so long ago. Sleepless nights I laid awake just begging to let go.
I wonder what's in here. Ooh, so that's where I was from. We walked all the way around this area. That's a good workout.
Say goodbye.
So we are now at the Anzac Memorial. He's right over there. And yeah, it's pretty cool at night. So I'm here right now at Hyde Park. I'm just walking around the park on a Monday night. It's just nice and cozy. Yeah. Today is actually the Australians' Labor Day, so it's kind of nice to just see what it's like on a holiday. Nice. Look at these lights. And some beach day. So yeah, it's gonna be a great day. Alright, so right now we're here at a place called Balloon Park. And where's just like a congestion of different areas here in Sydney, like the ICC Sydney, and there's just lots of different areas for the kids and families to like hang out or friends. So yeah. So I'm now here at Saudi Harbour under this old beautiful bridge, and yeah, there's just a lot of things going on around here, like the aquarium wharf, some museums, and everything else that is in here. So yeah.